So next step is we will be installing a screen protector now. I ordered the S-View case and the anti-reflective screen protector. So let's see what's going on with this one. It'd probably be helpful if I had a knife, huh? Got some extra stuff in there. All right, so guys, I didn't know, but open it from the bottom. I didn't see it there. That. Okay. Well, that didn't work as planned, and yeah, I'm not going to edit it just because, you know, I'm not going to be able to do too much. All right. So we got the instructions. Looks like never installed a Samsung. I have white stones for the S22. Okay. Dust removal stickers. Cool. Okay. Squeegee. Great. Anti-static cloth. Cool. So, it says I peel something off. So take that off. Take that off. Okay. Okay. Check out my my peel. Probably the only thing this year I'm gonna be peeling like that. All right. Okay. And then 2. All right. All right, cool. Okay, that's fairly clean. And oh, okay. I thought these were going to be like glass screen protectors. These are not glass screen protectors. What's this? 2. Oh, okay. You get 2 of them in a case. Okay, cool. All right, so they always say cut, right? And then you tear it where it says tear, and they never line up. See that shit? Teeth works. Suppose I'll put this over to the side. All right. Bada bing. Can't tell y'all, I was so excited. So, okay. Okay. E says I think. Okay. Okay. I have not put on one of these in a very long time. That's nice. The squeegee is the same width as the screen protector. I feel like that's crooked. Yeah, I really feel like that's crooked. Oh shoot. Alright, once that's down, that's down. Remember, I'm not a professional. I'm not Marcus Brownie or anybody like that. All the good YouTubers, I'm not as good as them. All right. Okay. Now, y'all saw, maybe somebody can point out what I did wrong here, but now I have that. Yeah. Well, there we have it. Screen protector's on. And then while we're at it, S-View case, right? Now, we done learned, or rather, I done learned. Let's try to take this from the bottom. Samsung stuff. I guess it's, or I'm sorry, don't try to untape it from the top. Samsung things are from the bottom. There it is. I got mine in white just because I usually always get phones in black, or I usually get an outer box, which is always going to be black. So this time I'll try to do something different. So it's felt on the inside of it. It's got like a, not felt, but it's kind of really some kind of soft texture inside of it. It's got a pocket for your card. Texas doesn't yet have it where I can put an ID on the phone. I really wish, because once they do, I probably would, you know, be able to downsize cards a lot more with the Samsung Pay and putting your ID on there. But it looks pretty nice though. I like silver buttons there. All right, guys. Well, thanks for y'all's time. Oh, forgot. You might want to actually see it installed, right? All right, let's see here how we have it. All right, so screen protector and flat screen really help. As you see, the case doesn't interfere with the screen protector on that that side either. The bottom has some space in there, and so does the top. So there it is. I have yet to even power this thing on yet. But yeah. All right. Thanks, everyone.